Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix left Alt and Windows key swapped. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to press Fn key and A and look if the problem persists. Then if it's not working, press Fa can and S and look if the problem persists. Then if the problem persists, press and hold Fn and W and look if they persist. If they persist, press Fn and L. And last thing here, press and hold Fn and space and look if the problem fixed or not. If you're using, for example, Melitrix keyboards or Zoom 65, press Fn and hold Fn and Q for 3 seconds and look if Fn and Alt and Windows key is back together. And if you're using a MacBook with that particular keyboard, press Fn and W and hold it for 3 seconds, right? And your basically buttons should be swapped. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.